Hi, this is Eric, Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the hinge plate on your dryer. These instructions apply to dryers made by Whirlpool, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new hinge plate, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The hinge plate is responsible for holding the door hinge to the inner door panel. If it is broken or damaged, the hinge may not open or close properly. To access the hinge plate, first we'll need to open the dryer's door. Then, remove these 4 screws using a T20 Torx bit. Lift to remove the door from the dryer. Next, set the door on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. To separate the door panels, remove these 13 Phillips head screws. Do not remove any of the Torx head screws as they hold other components like the glass, the hinge, and the spring catch in place. Next, lift on the inner door panel to separate it from the outer door panel. Set the outer door panel aside for later. Remove these 8 T25 Torx screws and lift the plate to remove it. If you need to purchase a new hinge plate, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. Now is a good time to also remove and inspect the hinge and hinge caps. If either are damaged or bent, you'll need to replace them. You can check out our other videos in the description below on how to do that. To install, align the hinge plate to the back of the door hinge and secure it in place with the 8 T25 Torx screws. Set the inner door panel aside and grab the outer door panel for reinstallation. To align the door panels, insert the side with the hinge assembly first and work your way around the panels to make sure that the inner door panel is sitting on the inside of the outer door panel. Then, press down on the door catch cover to snap the 2 panels together. Install the 13 Phillips head screws to secure the door together. We suggest doing this by hand to avoid damaging or breaking the plastic mounts and threads. Align the retainers on the door hinge to these slots on the front panel. Then install the 4 T20 screws to secure the door to the dryer. Close the door and make sure that it is working properly. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.